let's go ahead and start it. Just to test, see how we do. I'm going to do the whole page. Now I have two elements. What is the first thing I want to do? I want to make sure I get highest point relationship to furthest left point. And I'm going to get a sense of how that relates to my lowest point here, knowing that I need the space over to this side. And I'm just marking, some of these lines. I could actually draw a straight line from this point here, straight down through this point here, and it points me right to this point here, if you could see that. So seeing all these triangles, angular lines, that'll eventually point me to good proportion. Now I get started. Once again, what I'm doing here is I'm looking at very, very simplified negative space read. So almost straight lines. Very, very straight. And this is kind of where you should be as well. Just silhouetting, having this coming through, right through here. And once again, catching yourself, stop, tell your brain, wait a minute, we're not doing the whole detail thing right now. All I want is that, right there, the shape. Especially focusing on the space around it, not the actual, I'm not going to say the word. Because then we lose all of our focus on what it is, what's important, what we're supposed to be looking at. Okay, so that took me a minute or a minute and a half to do. Now I pick a spot and I begin to look at some of these narrower, more precise lines, shapes, some of these curves, and I could even begin to think of, the way it occupies the space. So meaning the weight of it, the texture of it, whether it's hair, skin, leather. And I'm just moving along really almost 100% blind here, maintaining proportions. And done. So there we go. So 2 figures in 3 minutes, not bad at all. And make that a dog in there, which is not easy. And there we have it. So what you can do from here, and I should have been doing this all along, but all the ones we did today were 2 minutes. Only the last one with 2 figures in it was 3 minutes. And to begin to identify how you can see and translate an image in the easiest way possible for you. So hopefully that's what it's all about. Discovering what is the trick that is going to let me see what I need to see, and I can stay focused on that thing I need to see, so my image, my transfer, my drawing, my representation of it looks like I want it.